If you're experiencing the EA FC25 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you optimize your game experience and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error can be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming device or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the cloud save error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your EA FC25 game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game library and install any available patches, as these often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding down the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. This can help resolve issues related to corrupted data. Step 5. Relink EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can refresh your connection to the cloud saves and potentially resolve any syncing issues that may be causing the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your game without interruptions. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.